Well, we are going to show you an e-writing board. It's 10 inches long, and you should come out to get one of these little drawing pads. If you lose the pencil, you always have your little nails or something to draw with. You can draw a happy face, and this little button right here is to erase. And right here is to lock it, so if you want to save one of your drawings, so say you want to keep the happy face and you don't want to erase it. If somebody presses the button, it doesn't erase. And if you leave it unlocked and you don't want it anymore, if you don't want the drawing anymore, erase it. And right here, you connect it in this corner, and you can connect it right here by the pen, and then if you don't want to lose it, you just draw it.